Koto. Today we are talking about things that you would like.
You can use this when shopping.
Hi, Maya Horma.
This week's focus is He aha to He here. This means, what would you like?
You can respond to this with he, object, taku here.
Let's go see these in action.
He aha to here. What would you like?
He punga with a taku here.
He te akuriti taku here.
Hey, no, that's mine. I got a chicken here. It's mine. He pulukai taku here. I'm going to cast my spell on you. Pew, 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 pew.
He kimu feke taku here. Do.
Oh, stop it. You're freaking me out.
Ha shame.
He
Rari taku here.
He Pokina taku here. He reka. That type of pumpkin. He Pekid taku here.
Trick or treat.
Oh, where? That's stingy. Let's see how much we got.
He puaka taku here. Ooh, what's in here?
Pareire tapa, nunua tapa, tapa ko nunua koe ana topua. Pareire tapa, nunua tapa, ko nunua koe ana topua. Pareire tapa, nunua tapa, ko nunua koe ana topua. Pareire tapa, nunua tapa, ko nunua koe ana topua.
Ko mana tōku maunga, ko aroha te moana, ko whānau tōku waka, ko au e tu atu nei. Mana is my mountain, Aroha is my sea. Whānau is my waka, and all of that is me.
We have our first team competing in the flower game. We've got Emma, Georgia, Molly, Kashika, Piper, Selena and Soraya. Their job is to get the flour from here all the way to their container. and they need to get as much flour down as they can within 3 minutes. Push and Louie are our timers. They have 3 minutes.
Hi guys, this is the new improved classroom.
Let's have a look. What have we got down here, Mason?
Down here is the door.
Going into Rumarima. Let's take a look, Mason. You go in first. Mrs. Amber's class. One thing that we may notice is some of the different stuff on the walls. But Mrs. Burnside's class. You can see the kids here doing some plane discovery. And Charlie's under the table there. Hey Mrs. Burnside, how are you enjoying being back in your classroom?
Hello, we love our new classroom, Matia.
Yeah?
It's real cool.
What's your favourite thing about being back? Do you like having a classroom by yourselves again? Yeah. Awesome.
We like being right by the playground, eh? And now we've got a deck so we can play.
Let's take a look at that deck. Mason, can you open that door for me? Oh wow. People hard at work here.
Look, we make pancakes.
Oh, that's amazing. What a great area. Let's go down through into the next classroom. Back into the corridor. Let's go see Mrs. Kenrick's class. Order? Oh, wow, this is your new classroom again. Do you like being back in your old classroom?
Yeah, probably in 3, 2, 1.
Woo! And lastly, down to Tucky. All that is a walk past. What do you think of it, all the things that have changed here? Do you think it looks good, Mason?
Yeah.
Awesome. And that's the tour of the junior block, all finished and renovated. Do you give it a thumbs up, Mason? Awesome.
Double.
Kia ora Aka High School, ko Aria tuku ingoa. Ko Talia tuku ingoa. We are this week's Pride TV episode's news anchors. That's right, we are so excited to take you through what has been happening here at Upper Hutt School. It's been a very busy start to term 4 for everyone.
Spot on, Aria. We have had Year 5 and 6 camp and Year 4 EOTC week.
These trips have been helping students learn team building skills and how to push themselves out of their comfort zone.
Students have been living Pride Kai out in the real world, showing our community our school values.
That's right, Atalia. This term, our value focus is curiosity. Being curious means being open to try and learn new things.
We hope everyone is enjoying learning more about this value and trying out new things with a curious attitude.
The Mahuri Hub has been showing plenty of curiosity in the pool, exploring new things and building water confidence.
Learning to swim is so important, and students have loved their time at H2O with the awesome swimming instructors.
In other news, did you know, Talia, that it is only 51 sleeps to Christmas and we have only 27 days left at school this year?
Wow, you're right, Aria. It is going to go fast, so hold on tight, everyone.
We hope that all students in whānau have a great term 4.
Mā te wā.
Kia ora koutou. We're here at Camp Makahika.
Haere mai, hoa ma.
Gosh, we're trying to sleep.